Thousands of old helmets are waiting for rebirth. Beginning the journey on the conveyor belt. The first step is preliminary cleaning. High-pressure water blasts away the tough dirt. The dirty water is completely separated. Heading straight into the high-temperature drying oven. Intense heat rises rapidly. Hot air blows away every stubborn droplet. The drying process runs continuously.
The robotic arm removes visors with lightning speed. Every component is separated with absolute precision.
Beginning the crushing phase. The fragments are ready for the next step. The giant grinder shreds everything to pieces. Nothing stops these steel blades. Transformed into thousands of black plastic flakes. Screening and sorting by size. Transferring across giant conveyor belts. Ready for the second cleaning stage.
Proceeding to wash the recycled flakes. Washing away all impurities completely. The water easily strips away sticky foam core residue.
The plastic flakes are now sparkling clean. Sent into the heat oven to bake out the water. All moisture evaporates instantly. A continuous transfer process. The plastic is funneled into a massive mixing silo. Tons of material, ready to be melted.
Straight into the melting screw.
The screw churns and compresses tightly. Melting temperature reaches its peak. The plastic turns into a thick, viscous sludge. Extruded into thousands of flexible plastic strands. Water cools and hardens them instantly. The strands are pulled tight, ready for cutting. Chopped into tens of thousands of uniform pellets. The brand new raw material is ready. Starting the melt to mold entirely new products. pouring the liquid plastic precisely into the mold. Perfect pouring speed, down to the millimeter.
The shape of the protective armor has appeared.
Countless products roll out back to back. Robots begin trimming away the excess details. Millimeter perfect precision. Completely eliminating all rough, unnecessary edges.
Next up is a high-speed surface polish. Scratched surfaces instantly become silky smooth.
Washing away all leftover sanding dust. A final shower for this ultra-durable armor. Squeaky clean and flawlessly polished. Sent straight into the thermal oven to dry off.
The wind system dries every single corner in seconds.
The product exits the drying chamber in perfect condition. The Magic Eye system scans for any flaws. Multi-angle inspection with broad spectrum light.
Flash photography captures even the smallest blind spots.
Inspection complete, 100% approved.
Sent straight to boxing, ready for shipment.
From total scrap to premium new products.
The endless cycle of recycled materials. Amazing.